Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, as a part of this Python interview questions sequence, we covered almost 14 questions. In today's session, we are going to talk about the next question, which is nothing but 15th question. So what is this question here is, can you please give list out examples for mutable objects and immutable objects? It is a very important question in the interviews. Like they will ask, which are mutable objects, which are immutable objects? You know very well in Python, how many data types are there? 14 data types are there. All these data types are considered as objects. Everything in Python is treated as object only. In these objects, there are some mutable data types. There are some immutable data types. Which are mutable data types? All the fundamental data types means what? Integer, floating point, string, complex, boolean. All these fundamental data types are immutable. And list is there, right? List is nothing but what? Mutable data type. All these fundamental data types are immutable. List is nothing but mutable. Then immutable version of list is a tuple. So tuple will comes under immutable. Then we have set is there. Immutable version of set is nothing but frozen set is there. Frozen set is there. Next, dictionary. Dictionary is nothing but mutable object where it will do the modifications. We don't have immutable version for the dictionary. And range function is there. None. These two also comes under immutable. And here there is a byte array concept is there. It is nothing but mutable. And in these we have bytes is there. So these are nothing but different types of mutable objects and immutable. In the total 14, except list, set, dictionary, byte array, all the remaining data types are nothing but what? Immutable data types. These 4 data types are mutable data types. I hope you understood the scenario very clearly. Okay. Thank you, friends.